I hope you are doing fine. Today, I want to do something with this beast. I want to try out what I can do with my Canon EosM and the Fujinon TV-Zoom Lens that I have presented you. And I want to see if filming, shooting inside, the idea of having a parafocal zooming lens can be really useful. So I thought that today I will eat some leftovers, and that's the best moment to test out this beast, and by cooking or reheating. But let's just see the results. Hey, all kidding aside, This is actually really good. I mean, I cannot believe it that finally, with leftovers, I managed to do something quite nice, quite tasty. Yeah, really good.